What we're unveiling to you today is a work in process. The car's obviously not completely done. We've got the engine reassembled and rebuilt. The bodywork has been stripped down to bare metal. Metalwork has been done by Brett and painted. The option does interior upholstery. We tried to keep everything local this year, so everybody that participated in this project is local in Tucson. And that's where we are today. We're happy to celebrate this with you. With no further ado, we will unveil our 1969 911 E Targa Restoration Challenge.